In the forthcoming budget, which is expected in early July, we are expecting a lot of forward movement, especially for the manufacturing sector. While the normal issues which the manufacturing sector puts up before every budget, in terms of the various changes which are required in the excise rules and in the SENVAT credit rules are of course there, a very significant improvement that is expected this time around is to have some kind of a clarity and roadmap on the date of introduction of GST in the country. GST, as most of us know, is something which is significantly going to alter the manufacturing landscape in the country and will be extremely beneficial to all manufacturers in the country. What the GST would also do is to ensure that there is less of tax cascading, there is a seamless supply chain with a credit which is at all levels and for most of the taxes, and this would lead to a significant reduction in the cost of goods that are manufactured. I don't think any one of us is in doubt on whether there is a need for being more competitive in the manufacturing sector, more so with the flood of imports that we are subjected to in India, and possibly therefore what the GST would do is to put back Indian manufacturing on its rails by removing some of the tax inefficiencies which have become inherent in the manufacturing process as a whole. We really hope that the Finance Minister announces a roadmap and a clear sectoral map for introduction of GST, and we hope that it becomes a reality sooner than later.